I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Sapin Sapin in your oven using a water bath method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of glutinous rice flour, 2 cans of creamy coconut milk, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. For an extra touch of richness, add half a can of condensed milk. We'll also prepare yube, jackfruit, and plain mixtures for those beautiful, distinct layers. And don't forget to make some crispy ladduck for a delightful topping. Now let's prepare our vibrant Sapin Sapin batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the glutinous rice flour, coconut milk, sugar, and condensed milk until it's perfectly smooth. Then, divide this mixture evenly into 3 separate bowls. To create the iconic purple layer, stir yube extract and a few drops of violet food coloring into one portion. For the sunny yellow layer, add jackfruit extract and yellow food coloring to another. The last portion can remain plain, or have a hint of vanilla for a classic white layer. It's time to cook our Sapin Sapin in the oven using a water bath. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Liberally grease an 8-inch round or square baking pan. Place this pan into a larger roasting tray, then carefully add about 1 inch of boiling water to the larger tray. Pour your first colored batter layer into the greased pan and bake for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat this process for each subsequent layer, ensuring each one sets before adding the next. Once all layers are baked, remove your Sapin Sapin from the oven and let it cool completely at room temperature for several hours. This is crucial for it to set properly. Once cooled, gently run an oiled knife around the edges of the pan to loosen the rice cake. Then, carefully invert it onto a serving platter to showcase those vibrant layers. Finally, sprinkle generously with your homemade crispy ladduck for an irresistible finish. Slice into your preferred portions and savor this delicious, oven-baked Sapin Sapin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.